Okay, hi!
Kicked off my shoes, dashed it in the rain.
Hi everybody, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel. I decided to go thrifting. Usually I am very shy at thrift stores here because I live in Prague. People don't speak English here, so when I'm like running around the thrift store with a camera and speaking a different language, people just give me the worst time. But this time I decided that I'm just gonna ignore everybody and I'm just gonna do my thing. So hopefully this video is gonna be good. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this Tommy jacket that I never wear, and then this crop turtleneck with like a cute bralette under it, and then I'm wearing these brown pants and my white Converse, and yeah, that is the look. Oh, and this is the bag of choice. So yeah, let's go. This is our first stop. Okay, let's go in. Oh, and I forgot to mention that everything is just $3, so pretty good. Okay, so I found a lot of stuff. I found this dress, which I think is straight out of Sex and the City. I love it so much. Then I found two pairs of pants. These are XXL, so I would have to take them in, but I don't care. I really like the print, so I might take them. Then I have these ones. These look like they will be too short, but I'm gonna try them. Then I have this like little cardigan thingy. We'll see how it will look. Then I have this cardigan. I think I will just like cut it because it's very stretchy so it won't fray. Then I have this. This is very cool. I would really like to see this on some guy. Like I think this would really look good on a boy, but I'm gonna try it and see how it looks on myself. Then I have this shirt. I don't know. I like the color. It's like pastel yellow, but I don't like these. I just like the tag. It says that it's made in Italy and it says fashion, so yeah, but I mean, I can't buy a shirt because of the tag, you know? Then I have this little sheer top. Ooh, then I have this. This like reminds me of some like Skims wear, and I might just like make it into a crop top if it fits me good. I don't know, we'll see. Then I found this super cute crop top with this like lettuce hem. I love it. And then I found this. This is just like a very plain blue shirt. So yeah, let's try it on. Okay, we got some goodies. Look at the color palette. It just makes me so happy. Anyways, moving on to the next store. Amazing stuff. My total was $19 US and I got 8 things, so it was amazing. The first thing that I got is this beautiful jacket. Like, it's the perfect fall jacket. You can really see it. Let me put it on. This faux leather jacket, it's definitely like an XXL because look how big it is. But I mean, I kind of like rolled up the sleeves, and yeah, I kind of really like how oversized it is on me. I also really like the color. I really like that this one is kind of special, that it's beige and not the classic black color. This is definitely gonna be like my staple fall jacket, so yay. This is the next thing. I got this like beautiful yellow shirt. The material is not like plain. As you can see, it has like a little bit of a texture. It has some shoulder pads, so I'm gonna cut them out real quick. Here they are. Yeah, I just really love how it looks. So yeah, look at how freaking pretty this is. I can't. You already know the shirt, But look at this beautiful skirt. I am in love. I feel like I'm just a girl from Pinterest, you know, like some Pinterest girl, I don't know. I can also like tie it. How freaking pretty! Because I already have a tennis skirt, which is literally like, it's very similar. But the thing that I really like about this skirt is how comfortable it is. It's literally so stretchy. Yeah, I literally just ate lunch and I'm perfectly fine. It's so freaking cute. I can't. Like, look at this aesthetic. Anyways, I love this. I know you already saw me freaking out over these in the fitting rooms, but here they are again. I can't believe that I found a pair of pants, a colorful pair of pants, a green pair of pants in the thrift store that fits me this well. Like, there's nothing weird around the crotch area. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really make my butt look good, but I don't really have a butt, so it's fine. And the zipper is so cool how it's like white. It's such a cool detail. And the color, oh, I could die over the color. I'm being a little bit over dramatic, but you know what? I don't care. Like, look at these pants. Ooh, look at that pair of pants. Like, I don't know what God was doing today, but he definitely blessed me, and I am so thankful. So yeah, anyways. Oh my God. Oh God. Imagine this thing not wrinkly. This is the next thrift find. It's like a short sleeve sweater. I kind of feel like a grandpa. I kind of feel like a Pinterest girl, so perfect balance. Totally plain, which I love because you can never have enough of the basics. You know, imagine me wearing some like funky sneakers, and I am a street wear influencer or something. I don't know. I just feel very cool in this. Like, I feel like those streetwear girls. Or maybe not. I don't know. I just really like this. Okay, it was $3. I mean, come on. All right, this is the next thing. As you can see, it doesn't fit me well. So let me just... Here. Now it fits me perfectly. Anyways, this is the next thing. It's a white skirt. I know that I just showed you a white skirt a minute ago, but this one is different, okay? It has a ruching, okay? And it's way longer, way flowier. This one doesn't have a ruching, it's not very flowy, has a slit. It's very different. I know, it's basically the same thing, but you know what? It doesn't matter, they're white. I'm gonna use them because it's a basic. I think I have all the white skirt options. Like, I have a basic mini skirt, then I have a beach skirt, then I have a tennis skirt, and then I have a midi skirt, but that is in the washer, so I can't show you. So yeah, it's pretty good. This is the next thing. I kind of feel like a Barbie in this outfit. See? But it's fine. It's this top that I like hide in the back, and it's very cute. It's this like cardigan-y material. The only thing that I'm not really sure about are the sleeves. They're kind of short, so that makes it a little bit awkward. I might just like wear it like this. I don't know. I probably wouldn't pair it with a white skirt. Wait, let me try it with the green pants. See? I don't know, like, I really like the pop of color. Obviously, this is very colorful, but like, I love it. Colors make me so happy, so yeah. Okay, the next thing is most extra, so be prepared. Look at this dress. I literally feel like carrying on my way to lunch with Big. Like the fabric is absolutely amazing, and then it has these like super dainty sleeves, and here it has some flowers. Also, the whole inside is made from silk or satin, so it's really well made. The only problem is that it's quite big on me. So yeah, let me just try to cinch it in real quick. I mean, I have no words. Look at this! Oh my god! This is how I cinched it in. If you want to see how I do that, watch this video. I explain everything there. But yeah, I can't wear shoes because I'm on my bed. But like, imagine it with one of these shoes, you know, like these little ones. Anyways, this was the last thing of my haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think this is definitely one of my best thrift hauls that I did. As I said, I spent $19, which means that every single thing was like $3 or $2.50 or something like that. A pretty good deal. And pretty good things. Anyways, as I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. I would really appreciate it because it helps with the YouTube algorithm and it makes me more visible. So yeah, definitely make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Also, if you have some video ideas, definitely make sure to leave them down below. I will definitely try to do them. Oh, and if you have a minute, check out my Instagram. But yeah, other than that, that is everything, and I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye!